everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. In case you're new here, welcome to Ayukodi channel. I'm coming at you right away from Giriama land. On today's video, we are going to cook maharage ya nazi and yellow chapatis. So in case you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so. Give the video a like, comment and share. So into it, my people. This is called mbuzi, a tool used for grinding coconuts. And with the help of panga, we are going to break it into two pieces. And here we go. After that, we will pour water into this and sieve it in order to obtain coconut milk. My people, did you know here in coastal part of Kenya, Giriama land, coconut covers are used as a source of firewood. I'm told like they light up so well with no smoke, with no nothing. Oh my God. Is that not interesting? It's now my turn to remove dirt from the beans. Let's do this together. I'm going to remove the chaps from our beans. These are called yellow beans. And also you're going to cook yellow chapati. I don't know if you've ever tasted them, but if so, let me know at the comment section. They use uteo to maybe to remove the chaps from the rice, from the maize, like just everything they use uteo. And you are going to see me doing that personally. So I'm going to remove that like this. And this is how we do in the village. We go bit by bit to ensure no single dirt or small stone goes with the beans. As you all understand how disgusting it is when you eat beans, then by accident you grind the stone in your mouth. With these yellow beans, it doesn't have gas, so in case you have problem with stomach, you can cook yellow beans. Yeah, it is recommended for people with ulcers also. So guys, I'm now washing it. After washing it, I'm going to soak it. This is to help it cook faster. This water is enough, so let's give it like 3 hours or 4 hours, then we'll boil it later. After that, I'll proceed to slice the ingredients into the desired pieces. Is garlic, guys. I'm going to pound them, so with the help of salt it's going to make it easy to pound faster, you know. Having our beans well boiled, let's add green pepper, onion and tomatoes respectively. In this case, the ingredients, we don't fry them first, we put them on top. Oh my god, just have a look at that. This is so tantalizing. Let us now sieve the tiny pieces of coconut in order to obtain coconut milk. Pour it into our food, mix it and give it like 10 to 20 minutes and our meal will be ready to be eaten. it's now time to prepare the chapatis, and having our flour ready on the basin, we will proceed to add salt, turmeric and cooking oil respectively. Let me know at the comment section, in case you want to cook yellow chapatis, what do you use? As here in the village, is turmeric what we use in order to obtain the desired results.
Mwenye kari. Ah, nema sana wari ya nema.
Oh my goodness, guys, I don't know if you believe this. Do you know this lady is capable of cooking 7 chapatis at once? At first, she will start to dry them, thereafter, she will go ahead to roast them. Just have a look at that. 7 chapatis on frying pan. She's talented. I cannot do this personally unless I go one by one. Having everything well set, she will proceed to serve the beans and I will do the chapatis. Together, let's enjoy this delicious meal. Let me know what you think about today's video and where you are watching from. Bye bye till we meet in the next. I love you all.